What's up, Rich from Anywhere gang? Check it out. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the Powered by Shopify badge that's at the bottom of your screen when you have a free theme like this, right? Like down here at the bottom, you'll see this little Powered by Shopify. And obviously we want to make our theme, our store look custom. We don't want it to, show these kind of badges and stuff. So this is probably the fastest and easiest way to get rid of that right now. So as you can see, I have a dummy theme right here, and I have pretty much like a dummy little basic Shopify account. Haven't even used it yet, just using this for tutorial purposes. But check it out. This is how you do it, guys. Super easy. Online store. Go actions, and then come to edit languages. All right. When you get here, go to filter and type in powered. All right, so it's going to bring you right here, and all you have to do is where it says Powered by Shopify, just click your mouse in here and hit spacebar and let it delete that little text in there. And then you're going to come down here and just select this and remove this as well. Come back up, hit save. All right, and then come back and refresh your page. All right, and then come back down here and boom, voila, no more Powered by Shopify. Now you have a custom theme. So that's it, guys, how to remove Powered by Shopify in less than 2 minutes. That's how we do it. Rich from Anywhere gang. Peace out.